Gang, gang. Oh. See you guys.
DeMarcus, good, go. These are Chip's meditation hands. Sabrina put her
foot in it.
I feel my toe on the pavement go like this.
La vida. Ándale.
Rise and shine. This morning, I kid you not, my alarm went off at 5:30 and I said, absolute no. Who thinks? In what world did I think today was gonna be the day where I still gonna wake up at 5 a.m. and go to the gym? Absolutely not. The way that my bones are creaking, like, you know, it's real serious. Like, your girl is that down bad that my toenails hurt. You would think I performed a Broadway performance of Swan Lake as a ballerina the way my toenails hurt. And I'm just kind of like, is this what 25 feels like? Like, do I need to drink more bone broth? I woke up and then Angie wakes up before me. I just start yelling, cold water bottle, cold water bottle, cold water bottle, cold water bottle. Because the way I felt like I was gonna drown, my mouth was dry, girl. Like, I was like, absolutely not. Lips cracked. You would never think I've ever seen a bottle of Vaseline in my life. I kid you not. And I was like, ooh, child. Then I got my cold water bottle, lukewarm water bottle. It was full. I just sat there. I just laid there like this in the dark. That's all I needed. I still laying pretty in the bed, and then I just smell coffee. Mind you, I was not a coffee head until my concussion. But even then, it was here and there. But now, I was telling Sab last night, I'm looking forward to my morning coffee. I think that's what it means to be a grown-up now. But I need her ASAP. So let's go make my coffee. And then we gotta try Sab's Dominican food because we underestimated how long the t-shirts would take because everything went wrong after wrong after wrong after wrong. And her cooking, because she likes to, like, she decided she wanted to make a 5 a la course meal. What? A la course? A la carte meal. And she was like, I gotta cook down the chicken for an hour. And I said, an hour? We G to G. Then it's worse when you rush and then you get to the place and then you're early. So that was like, like I could have eaten my rice and beans. Christian packed food for me and Andrew. So I'm gonna give you a whole review. We're about to take a trip to the Dominican Republic, but first, let me take a selfie. Coffee. And I'm obsessed with my new slippers. Like, these chanclas, girl, like, you can hear me come in. I'm just like, oh, and then I lost a part of my camera. I had like a wind muff you can't see on top of my camera. I came home, I was like, where is it? And I came home like 12:30. Yeah, your girl was a world traveler. Coffee. Our current obsession is this French press. But Chippendale's already brewed her, and he left me out a cup. Gang, 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 gang.
This is Jamaican coffee.
Oh yeah, and there's something about this Jamaican coffee that is just so delicious. I think I talked about it in the Jamaican vlogs. I must have. So you only need like a quarter cup, girl, because she strong. Show them your muscles. Strong AF. Bodybuilder.
Try it.
She's good.
Notes of.
Bean.
I was gonna say Jamaica.
So good that every sip I take, I become a little bit more Jamaican. You have to get Jamaican. But...
Bomba Clyde.
Wait, do this one. Hey, I think I taught him that one in a Jamaican vlog. Anyways. Toodles.
How'd it go?
Angie has a busy day today. Hanging out with the numbers. Also, my coffee, I put this. This is Jamaican milk as well. In Canada, if you want to go to like a Caribbean store, this carton of only 1 liter is $15. You must be absolutely mad. So I put 1 box in my suitcase on the way home, and I've been saving it for 2 months. And now that I have my Jamaican coffee, it just makes everything taste better. Like Cinnamon Toast Crunch with this. And like it only has 1 ingredient, and it says cow's milk. So good. Not too much. We have to conserve it. Whenever I hear voices outside, I get scared like we're gonna have an intruder. Wait. Okay. Mental note. We got an intruder once. And I have to tell you a story about that. Mental note.
Alright guys, we got what?
Why would a man be there? Why would a man be there? No.
We got Olive, Sab, and Christian Pseudo here, and they made it all cutesy and all that, and there's containers right here. So they're all containers like that. There's this one. That's all chicken. And then this one's got beans. You can kind of see it. It's a little tough to open. This one's got plantain. Ooh, look at that. Very fancy. And this is rice. And you probably know what rice looks like, so I'm not going to open it. But yeah, that's all the food we got. Thank you, Sav and Christian. Very yummy.
Thanks, Sav and Christian.
Au revoir.
Your girl is busy working. And Angie was like, I want to talk to the babies. I said, go for it. Go crazy, go stupid, go wild.
Gang.
Oh.
See you guys.
Chicken Deals has a plate, but we gotta microwave her.
Here we go. Turn wave bye.
Bye.
See you when you're hot.
Purr.
And we love to really crank it up.
Yeah, I need my food really. What? I need my food really hot. Really hot. I don't like lukewarm or room temperature food.
And this is also not a 1000-watt oven
Ooh,
microwave.
he's getting technical.
So it doesn't heat up as fast as a typical range microwave would.
Okay, T. Here's your fun fact. From us. Woo! Not me taking credit for the fun fact.
But she's going.
She is.
Show them the spinner.
I feel like can't even really see. Unfortunately, you're not getting the full experience, baddies.
Yeah, only a little bit. Partial experience.
What happens if I put the GoPro in there?
Probably not good. But from the outside, it's very relaxing. You know, like sometimes when you're a kid, you're watching the washing machine just spin around. It's kind of like that.
Aw, cute. You in the zone. Cue meditation music. Bing. These are Chip's meditation hands.
How do you meditate?
Yeah, I don't know.
Get in the zone.
Here is the meal. We got some chicken, legs, and a bell pepper, and some beans, and some plantain.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Hey, Taste test.
Oh, yeah.
What do we want to try first?
Let me think. I think we should go for the chicken.
Ooh, he wants to go for the main container right away.
Juicy. Off the bone.
It is very tender. My favorite cut of meat, like my favorite part of the chicken is definitely not chicken breast. I do not really like chicken breast. I think it's... Why would it be my favorite when chicken thighs exist? Chicken thighs is my favorite.
Yeah,
What's
chicken
yours?
breast is tough. I think... Yeah, probably chicken thighs. I agree with that. It's just juicy.
Cheers.
Ready? Very nice.
Very nice. Very, very nice. Sabrina put her...
Foot in it.
I remember when me and Chip first started dating, I said that. He's like, I don't get it. I think he did ask said, that's unsanitary.
Yeah.
And I was like, huh? And I was like, oh.
Yeah, I thought literally.
I always forget that Andrew's like, not. I forget sometimes.
Yeah, I've never heard that one before.
Because in my head, I was
this
like...
one.
Because I always thought it was like a common phrase, and I was like, no, it's not.
Definitely isn't.
What do Ukrainians say when something's really good?
Дуже добре.
Дуже, дуже добре.
Or смачне.
What's smaczna?
Delicious.
Sabrina cakes, this is smaczna. Wait, let's try rice. Sabrina cooked her rice in like one of those like immigrant 101 pots. I don't know if it's an immigrant thing, but I've only seen immigrants with it. And then when I went to Jamaica, I saw that pot and I was like, but I feel like if food is made in that pot, it just tastes so much better. I want to bring one from Jamaica, but like it's like 30 pounds. Like it's an industrial, like sturdy pot.
Got it.
And she cooked it in this and I was like, this is so authentica. Like you taste the culture.
Okay, yeah. Definitely down.
Let's try some beans. I love beans. Beans, a natural fruit. The more you eat, the more you... Oh, we didn't cheers. Our utensils didn't kiss.
Okay.
Next time.
Again, beans are very moist.
Very moist, very delicious.
And tender too.
I would eat this every day.
Like more unusual.
Sabrina, hint, hint.
Yum.
But I'm fake as hell because I was like, Sab, you've never made me Dominican food. Meanwhile, I've never made her Jamaican food.
Next time,
Let's try the plantain. I love plantain.
we'll film it.
Bomb. Sabrina told me
It's so sweet.
it's delicious. Can I tell you what Sabrina told me now? Pick me. They sell fried plantain at the grocery store in the freezer. I know froze.
Ah, okay.
What?
I didn't know that.
Neither girl.
Is it this or is it a different one?
No, this wasn't freezer.
Ah, okay.
But like,
I didn't know that.
I would buy that. We have the bell pepper.
We got that pepper.
It's sea mango. You take a bite and then. Oh, not the tongue, girl. Bomb.
Moist.
I rate our dish. Her dish. Does it make you want to take a first class trip?
10 out of 10 is probably even better than what you get in Dominican. I'm willing to bet it's better than what we'll have there.
Oh, Sabrina. He said, you're one of a kind.
Authentica, more authentica than authentica.
Yeah, OG Authentica.
What do you think?
Definitely Authentica.
Did you rate it?
12 out of 10. And fun fact, my bit, and I don't know if I do this in other videos, but I noticed in real life, I add to everything. So if Chip does something, I go, that's so romantica. Wait, I didn't tell you guys about the concert yesterday. If you didn't know, Savvy Cakes surprised me with Mariana's Trench tickets for my birthday. I put in a vlog, so watch that vlog. Oh, Sal said her dream concert was Mariana Trench. So it was a very big moment for her. It was so good. Like, you know those ones where like, okay, fun fact, in IRL, I am shy beans. But at the concert, once that music started playing, I stood up and was dancing, girl. Dancing and videotaping myself.
Just give me extra.
I know, fraud. I'm giving fraud. I don't know. There's something about that band that just gets me moving. It was a lot of fun. I thought I would leave early so that I can take the train home. But no, I want to hear every last song. And so I had to like take this random bus that, oh my God, we thought it was like in this little bus terminal, but the bus was behind us. So I had to jump out the car and like speed walk to the terminal. But as I'm going to the terminal, the bus doesn't turn into terminal, it drives straight. So I turn around and I'm like, Sabrina, Christian, the bus drove past him. Because it was going to a different stop. Christian's like, get in. So then I get into a car. Meanwhile, full body, I still had my right leg outside the car. I feel my toe on the pavement go like this. And then I had to do my pee. So excited that I just spit out rice grain. My peak core strength came into, what's the word? Fulfilling?
Into your abs.
No, full fituation. Do you know full tuition?
Intuition.
No, that's not it.
Fruition.
Full fruition. We finish each other's
sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
So your abs just appeared.
And the way I put my foot into that car, girl, with ease.
Okay.
Damn, it was giving like American Ninja Warrior. And then Christian like sees the bus stop, another stop. He cuts off the bus and I jump out. Wow.
Just like a scene from Rush Hour. We're gonna need more chicken or we're running out.
I know. Fun fact, I never finish my chicken fully. I always leave things on it. Because then it becomes a little too chickeny.
I finished the chicken.
Concert was good. 10 out of 10 I would recommend. I hope you enjoyed the vloggy. If you made this far, drop this emoji. Should be a chicken leg. Means yes. Say yes.
But you gotta shake your chicken leg.
Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Oh. Come on.
Okay, now you gotta do it.
Oh.
It's your turn, you're up.
I haven't unlocked that fruition in my ab workout routine yet.
It's your leg.
You is flexible. Oh my God, you know what line has been stuck in my head? DeMarcus, go. It goes, when I'm looking at him and he's thinking, whoa. Okay, now we're seeing the difference in our age range. He wasn't on Vine like that. He was on MySpace, AOL.
Girl, I was not on MySpace.
MSN. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you and don't get sick of us. We will be seeing y'all very soon.